How you doing, folks? This is Nick from Jane and Atomic Boas. We got a brand new boa here from Perfect Predators, Manny. It's a 2013 male Sunglow. Alright. It's a little guy. If I can get this thing open. There we go. Just when you think you got it, you don't. I'm about to cut this big.
I remember my first time.
There we go. Oh, he's a little guy. Try not to get tagged over here. Where'd he go?
There he is.
Come on. Oh, tiny fella.
He's a nice guy.
Yeah. He don't want to hold still. Let's get a close-up of him.
Yeah, let's see. Won't hold still. I think I got him.
All right.
Yeah, he's good.